In this video, we're going to show you how to use Obsidian for project management. Project management is the process of organizing goals, tasks, resources, deadlines, and information so that work can be completed efficiently and successfully. Whether you're managing business initiatives, client work, academic projects, content creation, software development, or personal goals, having a structured system can make a significant difference. Many users choose Obsidian for project management because it combines note-taking, task tracking, documentation, and knowledge management within a single workspace. This allows you to keep all project-related information connected and easy to access. However, as projects become more complex, information can quickly become scattered across different notes and folders. Without a clear structure, it may become difficult to track progress, manage tasks, and find important information when needed. The good news is that Obsidian provides flexible tools that can help you build an effective project management system tailored to your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use Obsidian for project management and keep your projects organized from planning to completion. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated folder for your projects. This helps separate project-related content from the rest of your notes and keeps everything organized. Next, create a master note for each project. Within this note, include key information such as project goals, deadlines, stakeholders, milestones, and important requirements. Now create a section for project tasks. Add checklist items for the work that needs to be completed and update them as progress is made. This allows you to monitor the status of the project directly from the main project note. Next, create supporting notes for research, meetings, brainstorming sessions, documentation, and project resources. Link these notes to the main project note using Obsidian's internal linking feature. This makes it easy to move between related information without searching through multiple folders. You can also use tags and properties to categorize projects by status, priority, client, department, or project type. For example, you might create labels for active, planning, on hold, or completed projects. Another useful approach is creating weekly review notes. These reviews can help you monitor project progress, identify blockers, and determine the next actions required. As your project grows, continue connecting tasks, documents, and notes through links to create a centralized project management system. Many users also install community plugins such as Kanban boards, task managers, calendars, and dashboards to further enhance their workflow. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create dedicated project folders and project notes. Second, organize tasks, milestones, documentation, and resources. And third, connect project information using links, tags, properties, and regular reviews. Remember that effective project management depends on having a clear structure and easy access to information. Using Obsidian allows you to combine planning, documentation, task tracking, and knowledge management in a single environment. This is especially useful for professionals, freelancers, entrepreneurs, students, content creators, and anyone managing multiple projects at the same time. Taking a little time to build a project management system today can help improve productivity, reduce confusion, and make future projects easier to manage. And that's how to use Obsidian for project management. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.